hope you have been enjoying the festive season. If you celebrate it, and if you don't, I hope you've just been enjoying life. Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you very much for being with me on this journey. It's been an amazing journey and it's going to get even better for us all. I know and I believe this. So just a quick update before I go on to my next audiobook to update you on something that happened to me recently. I manifested a house that I wanted to live in, and it happened very quickly and quite precisely to what I wanted. And it was basically with me making a decision once and for all what it was I wanted. Before, I didn't really make any firm decisions. I was always wavering, or I don't know what I want, but I made a decision of what I wanted and was very specific in the type of house I wanted. And in March this year, I wrote down exactly, as you can see from what I'm showing you, what type of house I wanted. And from that, I didn't actually start to look for anything. I didn't do anything until near the summer, when I put a vision board together, and I was literally focusing on this vision board all the time. It was in front of me, in front of my laptop, and I was forever looking at it and visualizing and imagining as well. I did a lot of affirmations as well to make this come through. And the property I bought was on for a lot less than other properties in that area. And not only that, I was able to get a massive discount because the seller was desperate to get rid of the property. And one of the interesting things that happened was that I only looked at 3 properties, and the house I'm living in now was the second property I looked at. And I wasn't too sure about it, and I left it for a whole month. And then it was a Saturday night when I thought, oh, yeah, I should really go back and ask about whether this property is still available. And I should write an email to the estate agent. And Saturday night at 11, I was starting to write the email to the estate agent to ask if the property is still available. And I thought, it's a bit late. I shall do it on Monday because, it'll be open on Monday and it's better for me. Monday morning came, I forgot all about it. But before the morning was out, I had a phone call from that same agent after visiting the property a month before, saying to me, look, this property is still available. Are you interested in it? And the seller will take a discount. So, please let me know. And I'm like, what? So literally, I put in an offer there and then and was waiting to hear back. Went back to my email, thinking to myself, I must have sent that email to the estate agent. Looked in my sent folder, no email. Looked in my draft folder, and there was the email which I was going to send to ask about the property I had seen 4 weeks previously. And I had no correspondence from the estate agent, and I hadn't actually communicated to them within that time. But as soon as I thought about it in detail, that is when the estate agent caught my thought and rang me. Before I put in an offer, I also received 2 spam emails, one from US and one from New Zealand, saying, congratulations on your new house. And this went into my spam folder. Another interesting occurrence is that I never went on the national property website Rightmove, which is used in the UK, where a lot of estate agents advertise properties for sale and for rent, and where a lot of people tend to go to look for properties. It's either Rightmove or Zoopla, but I actually didn't look on either of those sites. I knew which area I wanted to live in, and I thought I will just look at the estate agents' websites to see what properties are there. And usually they're the same as Rightmove. So I saw this property and I asked the estate agents for the floor plan, and they were saying to me, just look on Rightmove. And I said, well, the house is not on Rightmove. And they said, well, yes, it is. And we had this conversation. I looked on Rightmove, could not see the property at all on Rightmove. And they said, swore blind, the property's there, they can see it there. I could not see the property there at all. And this could explain the reason why the estate agent said that the seller had no viewings apart from mine. because no one could see it on Rightmove apart from the estate agents. So me being guided to look specifically at that estate agent's website, managed to see the property, which nobody else saw, which was why he had no viewings. And I truly believe this house was meant for me and sent to me from God, from the universe, blessing me with what I wanted. Another two facts I want to state is that when I did my visualizations, I did them mainly at night and in the morning, but also when I had breaks throughout the day. And when I saw myself mainly in the lounge and the sunroom. I wanted a sunroom for a long time. I was obsessed with it. And these are the two rooms that literally materialized in this house. I also wanted a house which had a livable kitchen and bathroom, but needed some work because I wanted to start another YouTube channel, showing how I'm doing up this property in a quite a nice way, environmentally way. I wanted to capture all of that, so I'm going to start that in the new year. So I will list the things below of what I did to really manifest this house and how quickly it came to me. But the main take I would say is, first and foremost, is to make a decision. You have to make a decision of what it is you want in life. And then you have to be very specific and in detail what it is. Write it down. And also I scripted throughout, and I was literally thanking God for the house, thanking God, that I have this beautiful house to live in months before I got the property. I was literally saying, I'm sitting in my sunroom, enjoying the view. Oh, the kitchen's so wonderful, da, da, da. So literally living from the end. So make a decision, write it down, and then have a vision board where you stick photographs of what you want to materialize, what you want to come into your life. Script your way through it by with affirmations and gratitude. Gratitude is so important. Giving thanks for everything you have, and also thanks for the things that you want to have. Live in the joyous expectancy of the best, and always the best will come to you. And actually make that as an affirmation. I was saying that throughout. I live in the joyous expectancy of the best, and the best always comes to me. I am wealth now. I am success now. All praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. Every day and in every way, my life keeps getting better, better, and better. So, the affirmations are really important. The scripting is really important. Making the decision is really important. The vision board is really important. And the one most thing I would say is also pivotal in manifesting your desires is belief and faith, because things are going to come which your five senses are going to pick up on and tell you, oh, you can't have that. It's not for you. Look at what's happening on the outside world. Interest rates, inflation, banks are collapsing, house prices are going. No, don't believe all those things. It's just an illusion. This is your ego trying to trip you up. So don't fall for that. Remember, you have a higher power working within you. So rely on this higher power, surrender to it, and it will actually guide you and actually unfold to you all the gifts of the universe. And belief is pivotal in manifesting your desires. Mark chapter 11 verse 24. Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. Now faith is confidence in what we hope for, and the assurance about what we do not see. Matthew chapter 21 verse 22. If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer. So as you can see, belief is really important. Having faith is very important. And everything comes from within us, nothing from outside of us. We have the power within us. Each and every one of us have this power within us that we can tap into and we can connect with, because this power is for us to use and to help us in our daily lives. So I just want to leave it there before it gets too long. And just want to say thank you very much for subscribing and listening to me. It's been a pleasure to share these audiobooks with you and also my journey. And I will be updating you because I know greater things are yet to come. And I want to share that to inspire you all to realize that this is a journey. There is no destination. You just have to keep going and never give up. Never feel that, you can't achieve these great things. We all can, but you just have to have belief and faith that you can actually achieve, you can get what you want in life. So happy new year, everyone. I sending love and blessings, peace, happiness, prosperity, abundance, health, and perfect joy. May God bless you all.